audible? Let me know. Children, am I audible? Can you hear? Okay, all right. I think I am, right? So, those who haven't joined yet, quickly join the session, please. And if you are joining, type your name in the chat box so that I know who all are here. Okay. Thank you, Sanvi. So we have, I can see just three names in the chat box till now, Satvik, Sanvi, and Pavika. Okay, Arya Nandini is also joined us. Very good. I was waiting for Arya Nandini. She's always the first one to come for this session. Good morning, Arya Nandini. I'm fine. How are you? Okay, that's great. So, yes, Sanvi, of course, I know it's you. So, Satvik, Sanvi, Pavika, and Arya Nandini, four children are here today. Very good. I hope more people are joining. And till the time others are joining, why don't you all tell me which topic are we discussing today? Do you all know about it? I hope I'm clearly audible and the screen is clearly visible. So here the topic name is not given on the screen. So I want you to tell me which topic are we going to discuss today. Very good morning, Shri Harini. How are you? Okay, that's great, Arya. So I hope you all are having a fun Sunday and I hope your exams are over or is it still going on? Half yearly exams? Are they over? Or for anyone it's still going on? Let me know. Oh yes, Pavika and Sanvi has given the answer that the topic we are discussing today is length. Okay, very good. Length is correct, but the spellings are not correct. Spellings of length is not correct. Okay, Shri Harini. Oh, Satvik is saying fractions. No, Satvik, fractions have been long done. Okay, after fractions, we have started with measurement now, right? And now we are discussing length. Fractions had gone on for a long time, right? Fractions we are doing in the class, but in YouTube live streaming, we are going to discuss about length today. Okay, Pavika's exams are still going on. Satvik's is over. Yes. Okay. Sanvi is struggling with the spelling. Sanvi. Okay, we'll find out what is the correct spelling. Okay. No worries. It happens. Maybe it's becoming, maybe it is the typos are happening. That can also be. Oh, Arya Nandini has written the correct spelling. See? Yes. Length. Correct. Perfect. Okay. So today we are going to discuss length. Now, all of you have written the name of the topic fine. Okay. TH. Sanvi, it's TH. You have written HT, it's TH. Okay. So you have identified the topic correctly. Very good. We are going to discuss about length today. But what is length? What do you understand by length? Let me see. Last day also length only you have discussed, you must have discussed. So you know the concept by now, right? So what is length? What do you understand by length? Let me see. Let's do a concept quiz on length first. Then we will move to the questions. Okay. What is length? What do you understand by length? If I ask you to define me length, how are you going to define it? Okay, so Satvik is saying meter, millimeter. Meter, millimeters, centimeters, kilometers, they are the units of length. Okay, units which we use to measure. Okay, kilometer, yes. Kilometer, millimeter, meter. So kilometers are mainly used to measure distances, long distances. If you want to go from one place to another, we measure the distance in kilometers. Millimeters are very small, like you can say the smallest unit. uh, we use millimeter. Okay, meters are also used for longer, when we want to measure things which are really long, we use meter. We also have centimeters for smaller objects. Okay, so we have other units of length. So these are all units of length. Okay, measuring scale, it is used to measure something. Okay, so we length is basically when we want to find out how long or short an object is, right? So measuring can be anything. You want to measure the length, you want to measure the weight, you want to measure the temperature. Okay, all these things comes under measurement. But particularly when we're talking about length, we want to measure how long or how short or how tall an object is. Okay, right? So that is about length. Sun Sanvi and Aryanandini are having emoji battles in the chat box, I see. Okay, so now I think we can move over to the questions. Let's see, what is the first question of the day? So, today's live streaming session, this is your first question. Okay, Arya Nandini has given an answer. Length is a measurement of distance of extent of something from end to end. Yes. So when you are measuring a distance of something from one end to another end, that is also called length. Perfect. Great. So I hope the first question is visible to everyone on the screen. Let me read it out for you. Savita had 3 meters of cloth. She cuts 90 centimeters to make a flag. How much cloth had she left? ठीक है, options are 87 centimeters, option B 60 centimeters, option C 210 centimeters, and option D is 2 meters. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन सबको समझ आ गया? अभी जल्दी से आंसर टाइप करना है, ठीक है, चैट बॉक्स में जल्दी से आंसर टाइप करना है. आर्यनंदिनी, आर्यनंदिनी बोल रही है ए. आर्यनंदिनी, ओके, सो योर ऑप्शन इज ए. ठीक है, एक ही बार लिख दो, बार बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. अगर मुझे नहीं मिल रहा है तो मैं बताऊंगी कि आंसर नहीं मिला मुझे. आप ठीक है, so you can just type it once, Arya. But I would like you, Arya Nandini, to read the question once again. ठीक है, फिर से पढ़ो आप क्वेश्चन को. Savita had 3 meters of cloth. She cuts 90 centimeters to make a flag. How much cloth had she left? Okay, now Satvik is given the answer as option C. Sanvi is also agreeing. She's also saying it's option C. Okay. So I have received the answers from Arya Nandini, who says A, Satvik and Sanvi says C, and what about Sri Harini? What about Pavika? And who else is here with me today? Anyone else is over here? Then you can also type your names first in the chat box and then you can type the answer. Okay. Pavika, Sri Harini, quickly type your answers. I have received answers from 3 people already. Okay, Sri Harini's answer also I have received. She says C. Okay, so C is getting the maximum votes. Already 3 votes for C. Now Pavika is left to answer. Once Pavika is given the answer, we will start discussing. Okay. So till the time Pavika, okay, Pavika hasn't given. Oh, Sanvi is saying that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. I was just going to ask the same question, Sanvi, that what is 1 meter is equal to? You have already given the answer. That is superb. Okay, yes, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Very good. Okay. Sri Harini has given the answer as C. Yes, I received it. And Arya Nandini has changed the answer to C, from A to C. Okay, what made Arya Nandini change the answer, Arya? Can you tell me? Why did you change your answer from A to C? I want to know the reason. Just because everyone is telling C, or because you found out the mistake? Okay. Satvik is saying 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So that means 3 meters would be is equal to 300 centimeters. So 300 centimeters minus 90 centimeters is 210 centimeters. Okay, very good explanation, Satvik. That is superb. So Satvik has already explained the answer. All right, I can see someone named XT Sriyansh Gaming. Can you type your proper name in the chat box, please? What is your actual name? Is it Shriyansh? Is Shriyansh your actual name? All right. So I think we can start discussing. Uh, you all have already given the explanation also for the answers. It's amazing. So Arya, you have to see that the length of the cloth here is given in meters. Okay, 3 meters, and this is given in centimeters. Right. So both are of different units. We need to change them to the same unit. Okay, if you don't change them so to the same unit, it will be difficult to do addition, subtraction, or whatever you want to do, right? So first we need to change them to the same unit. So we can change meter to centimeters. So like Satvi said, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, right? That is conversion, unit conversion. That's how it 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Then 3 meters would be equal to 300 centimeters, right? Now that means Savita has 300 centimeters of cloth. This is the total length of the cloth. From here, she's cutting away 90 centimeters to make flat. 90 centimeters cut कर रहा है मतलब 90 centimeters यहाँ पे यहाँ से minus करना है. Then only we will get how much cloth is left. So 300 minus 90 centimeters is going to give us 210 centimeters. So option C is the correct answer. So well done, all of you. Okay, Shriyansh. So Shriyansh has given the correct answer. Satvik, Sanvi, Shri Harini, Arya Nandini has also later given the correct answer. So well done, all of you. And Pavika's answer I haven't received. I don't know if you have given and it has not reached yet. Sometimes it happens. Okay. But well done, all of you. Now let us move forward to the next question. Let's see. Okay. I hope you can see the next question on the screen. Let me know. Type a yes in the chat box if you are able to see the next question on the screen. Yes, Arya Nandini. First convert. Yes, converting you have to do from meter to centimeter and then only you can subtract. You cannot subtract centimeters from meters. First you have to make them into the same units. That is correct. Good. All right. Let's see the next question. In how many different ways can Chota Bheem reach to the laddus? Hmm. So Chota Bheem loves eating laddus and he wants to reach the laddus. And so you have to tell me how many different ways can he reach to the laddus. Okay, thanks, Sri Harini. Satvik is saying C. C is for this question, Satvik. You've already got the answer. Okay, Anu Kumari is also there with me today. And she says that it's option D for this question. Okay. Let's see. So there are many ways Chota Bheem can go to the laddus. Okay, you can see many paths. These lines are like paths. Okay, so in how many different ways can Chota Bheem reach to the laddus? That you have to find out. Okay, so let's see. I think Satvik has given the answer as C, that is 7 ways, and Anukumari says 4 ways. What about others? Sanvi, Arya Nandini, Pavika, Sriyansh, Sriharini. Answers. Let's see. Okay, Sriyansh also says D, which is 4 ways. Okay. Arya Nandini also says D, which is 4 ways. All right. Fine. Others. There are still people left, no? Sanvi, I did not get Sanvi's answer. Okay, Satvik, did you change your answer from C to B? B is 6. Okay, fine. So you're saying that 6 ways. All right. Let's see if it is 6 or 7 or 4 or 5. Those who have already given the answer, you don't need to give it again. Those who haven't given the answer, please give it quickly. Sanvi and Sriharini and Pavika answers. And those who have joined now, I would like for you to type your name in the chat box first and then you can start participating. Okay. Sanvi has given the option as B, which is 6. So Sanvi and Satvik says B and others are sticking to D. Shall we start discussing? Anyone who is left, you can give your answer quickly and let us start discussing. Let us start seeing what are the different ways we are getting. Okay. So this is the starting point. Okay. यहाँ से start करना है ना? तो एक तो ऐसे जा सकता है वो, दिस इज योर एंडिंग पॉइंट जहाँ पे लड्डू लिखा हुआ है. एक तो ये एक वे हो गया, वे. ठीक है. अच्छा, एक और वे क्या हो सकता है, यहाँ से शुरू करके यहाँ ऐसे जा सकता है. ठीक है. एक दूसरा वे हो गया. ओ ओके, अनु कुमारी इज लावण्य. हाय लावण्य. Very good morning to you, Lavanya. Okay, Shri Harini says it is option A, 5 ways. चलो ठीक है, अभी हमने डिस्कस करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है तो देखते हैं. थर्ड वे क्या हो सकता है? थर्ड वे एक तो यहाँ से शुरू करके फिर ये ट्रायंगल का ये लेके फिर ऐसे जा सकते हैं. ठीक है. That's the third way. The fourth way can be यहाँ से शुरू करके फिर ऊपर जाके फिर यहाँ आके फिर ऐसे आ सकते हैं. That's the fourth way. Fifth way would be यहाँ जाके फिर इधर जाके फिर ऊपर जाके फिर यहाँ से फिर यहाँ जा सकते हैं. That's the fifth way. Good morning, Lavanya. How are you doing? Then it would be इधर से ऐसे ऊपर जाके ऐसे जा सकते हैं. ठीक है. And another would be यहाँ जाके ये slanting line पकड़ के फिर ऐसे जा सकते हैं. So how many ways are we getting? 7 ways only, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ways we are getting. 7. I'm getting the answer as 7, but there are quite many ways. You have to check the image very, very properly. There are many ways. So what you can do is you can actually see Satvik has come back to see again. Yes. It's C. So you can just draw the image in your notebook and later maybe take time, sit and try to see what are the different ways you're getting. Okay, maybe on the screen you're not able to answer it properly until and unless you do it with your pencil. It's a little difficult. So yes, it's C. There are 7 ways. There are quite a lot of ways. If you see all the different things ना here, पूरा triangle लेना, फिर triangle के बीच से नीचे आके ऐसे जा सकते हैं, नीचे से ऐसे ऐसे. So there are if you check all the different ways, you are getting 7. So the correct option is 7. Shiansh, it is option C. Okay, 7 is an option C. So I hope it's clear with everyone. Yes, Aryanandini. Good. These questions are actually very interesting. Okay. All right. So I think, there can be questions from here, right? Which can be the shortest route for Bhim to reach Lattus. Okay. What is the shortest way? 7 ways तो है इनमें से सबसे कौन सा वे लेगा तो वो सबसे जल्दी पहुंचेगा. ठीक है, शॉर्टेस्ट रूट कौन सा है, ऐसे भी क्वेश्चंस यहाँ से आ सकते हैं, राइट. Okay, so we can now move over to the next question. We have solved this one. So next one. If the next question is visible to you all on the screen, you can type a yes in the chat box. Type a quick yes in the chat box if you can see the next question on the screen. Swati has a rope of length 45 meters. She cuts it into 9 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece of rope? Option A 5 meters, option B 9 meters, option C 4 meters, and option D 11 meters. ठीक है. स्वाति के पास एक रोप है, रस्सी है जिसका लेंथ दिया हुआ है 45 मीटर्स, और स्वाति क्या कर रही है, उसको 9 इक्वल पीसेस में काट रही है, तो उसका हर एक पीस का लेंथ क्या हो सकता है. वेरी इजी दिस इज. ओके, सात्विक सेज लॉक 5 सेंटीमीटर, नहीं सात्विक 5 मीटर्स ना. ऑप्शन ए यू आर सेइंग. ठीक है. Okay, Satvik's answer is option A. And good morning, Sudarshan Kumar. What's you have to type your name. Okay. Yes, 5 meters. Okay. 5 meters. I have locked it already. Even Sri Harinis and Sanvi and Lavanya also says that it's A. Okay, Sri Harini has not given the answer yet. Shirini, you have to give the answer quickly. Shriyansh says it's option A. Okay. Lavanya, Shriyansh, Sanvi, Satvik is going with A. All right. Very good. What about Arya Nandini? Okay. Good morning, Supriya. Very good morning to you. Thank you for joining the session. And now you can start reading the question and typing your answers. Okay. Arya Nandini is also saying it's A. So what are we doing here actually in this question? What do we have to do? How you're getting A? Type that in the chat box. Let's see how you're getting A. Let me see. Okay, Sri Harini has given the answer as A. So I think most of you have given the answer. Pavika, are you there in the session? Please type your answer. I'm not getting Pavika's answers. Others have given the answers. Shriyansh has given, Sri Harini has given, Arya Nandini has given, Lavanya has given, Sanvi, Satvik, Supriya has given. Okay. So all of you have given as A. Let us check. So Swati's rope has a length of 45 meters. So this is the total length. जो पूरा लेंथ है 45 meters का. ठीक है, अभी वो इसको इक्वल पीसेस में काट रही है, 9 इक्वल पीसेस में काट रही है. तो जहां पे भी यस, वेरी गुड सात्विक, 45 डिवाइडेड बाय 9. यस आर्यनंदिनी, गुड जॉब. सो जहां पे भी ये इक्वल पीसेस वाला बात आ रही है ना, इक्वल पीसेस में उसको काट रही है, वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट division is happening. Swati is dividing the rope into equal pieces, right? तो यहाँ पे हमें 45 को जो है 9 से डिवाइड करना है और we are getting 5. और यूनिट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर यूनिट यहाँ पे मीटर में है तो आंसर में भी मीटर में ही आना चाहिए. अगर आपको वो सेंटीमीटर्स में पूछ रहे हैं तो आप आंसर को सेंटीमीटर्स पे चेंज करके दे सकते हो. इफ दे आर आस्किंग यू you have to write the answer in centimeters, then you can multiply it with 100 and write the answer as 500 centimeters. लेकिन यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So you have to write it as meters. So length of each piece of rope is 5 meters. Okay? All right. Well done, all of you. Very, very good. Option A is absolutely correct. Very well done. So let's move over to the next question. Next question, I hope it's visible on the screen to you all. Let me know if the next question is visible to all of you on the screen. Find the difference between the lengths of the paint brush and pencil. सात्विक आर्यनंदिनी क्या चैट बॉक्स में फुटबॉल खेल रहे हो क्या? गोल गोल. Okay, focus on the question now. Find the difference between the lengths of the paintbrush and pencil. पेंट ब्रश लगा हुआ है, रखा हुआ है, पेंसिल रखा हुआ है, एक रूलर है आपके पास, ठीक है, एंड देयर इज आल्सो समथिंग लाइक अ व्हाट कैन वी कॉल इट, it's something like a looks like a straw जिसके बीच में there are dots. Measuring using that you can measure the lengths also, right? So you have to find out the difference between the lengths of the paintbrush and the pencil. So option A, is it 12 centimeters? Option B, 9 centimeters. Option C, 3 centimeters. And option D, 4 centimeters. So ruler है तो वहां पे आपको centimeters में you have to measure and find out. ठीक है, देखते. सानवी और आर्या नंदिनी बोल रही है 9, which is option B. 9 तो B में है ना, D में तो 9 नहीं है. B या D? D is 4 centimeter and 9 centimeter is an option B. So which one are you all telling? Is it B or is it D? Shriyansh is saying D, 4 centimeters. ठीक है Shriyansh. So Priya is saying B. Lavanya is saying A. Okay. Sanvi says D. And Arya Nandini says 9, which is option B. So there is this sort of confusion between B and D, I can see. What about the others? Satvik and who else is missing? Let's see. Sriharini is missing. Sriharini's answer I did not get. Pavika's answer I am not getting. Okay. Okay, Lavanya has given the answer as option B. All right. Okay, Satvik says option D. All right. Option D is 4 centimeters. Okay, so it's either B or D, it seems. Okay, whoever is still left to give the answer and whoever is joining right now, please type your answers in the chat box quickly. Okay, and let us see how we are able to find out the answers for this. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हम देख लेते हैं रूलर को. ठीक है, ये जो रूलर है इसका we can see that it is still 9, from 0 to 9 centimeters it is going, right? The ruler, correct? और ये जो पेंसिल है ना, ये पेंसिल हमें दिखा रहा है कि it's starting from here, from this mark, and it's coming till here. till this point. Okay. That means the pencil is 1, 2, 3. We can call it as 4 units long. Okay. 4 units long. और ये जो पेंट ब्रश है, पेंट ब्रश यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है और यहाँ पे जाके खत्म हो रहा है. तो पेंट ब्रश जो है is 1, 2 and 3 units long. Okay. 3 units. Paint brush is 3 units. Means the difference between the paintbrush and the pencil is basically 1 unit, right? The pencil is 1 unit longer than the paintbrush. If we do 4 units minus 3 units, so 1 unit. तो ये 1 unit जो difference आ रहा है में, ये 1 unit is actually how many centimeters? That is what we need to find out. ये जो एक रेड कलर मार्क से दूसरे रेड कलर मार्क पे जा रही है, ये बीच का जो गैप है, इट्स जस्ट 1 unit. So if we consider it as 1 unit, what is it? What is the length of 1 unit? That we have to find out using the ruler. Okay. So let us check. So it is coming as, isn't it coming as 3 centimeters, guys? Okay, Sanvi is not understanding. Let me show you again. Okay, now do not look at the ruler. Okay, just look at this thing. This straw-like thing which you see over here. Just look at that. Okay, and try to measure the paintbrush and the pencil using the gaps between the red color dots. Okay, so the paintbrush would be from here. It's starting from here and it's coming to me. So there are like 3 gaps. Paintbrush is covering 3 gaps. So we can take it as 3 units. Okay. And the pencil is covering from here till here. That means the pencil is covering 4 gaps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The pencil is covering 4 gaps or 4 units. So they have asked us to find out the difference between the paintbrush and the pencil. Okay. Difference. The difference 1 unit का ही है बस दोनों में. 1 unit का difference है. अब ये 1 unit is equal to how many centimeters, वो हमें ये scale से मिलने वाला है. ठीक है. 1 unit is equal to how many centimeters that we are going to get from the scale. So if we check from here to here, this is at 1 unit. ठीक है. So 3 से 6 तक हम जा रहे हैं. 3 से 6 तक. So 3 से 6 तक है 1 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Right? So 1 unit is actually equal to 3 centimeters. So the correct answer here should be option C. Let me know if there is still confusion, guys. Children, let me know if you are still confused. पहले वो straw में जो gaps दिए हुए ना, उसका help लेके आपको अलग अलग करके पेंसिल और पेंट ब्रश का निकाल लेना है. ठीक है. 3 units और 4 units. डिफरेंस आ रहा है आपका 1 unit का. अभी वो 1 यूनिट कितना है वो आपको वो स्केल से देख के पता लगाना है. तो 1 यूनिट अगर आप देखोगे ना, 1 यूनिट यहाँ पे आपका आ रहा है 3 से लेके 6 तक. तो 3 से लेके 6 तक यानी 3 से 4 1 सेंटीमीटर, 4 से 5 2 सेंटीमीटर, 5 से 6 3 सेंटीमीटर्स. So that 1 unit is coming as 3 centimeters. Okay. So your correct answer should be 3 centimeters. It is option C. Is there still confusion? It's not 4, it is option C. आपको gaps count करना है, numbers मत count करो. ठीक है. अगर आपका ऐसे है 3 4 5 6, तो ये 4 सेंटीमीटर नहीं होता, ये 3 सेंटीमीटर होता है ना. 3 से 4 is 1 centimeter, 4 से 5 is 2 centimeters, and 5 से 6 is 3 centimeters. So This is actually 3 centimeters. So यहाँ पे हर जो एक गैप है, हर एक गैप इस 3 सेंटीमीटर्स का, हर गैप 3 सेंटीमीटर्स का है, ठीक है। तो इन दोनों के बीच में जो डिफरेंस है वो एक गैप का है, एक गैप का मतलब 3 सेंटीमीटर्स का डिफरेंस है। सानवी, लेट मी नो नाउ। ये जो आपको गैप्स दिख रहे हैं ना, दोनों रेड कलर डॉट्स के बीच में, ईच ऑफ दिस गैप इज ऑफ 3 सेंटीमीटर्स, ठीक है। 3 सेंटीमीटर, 3 सेंटीमीटर, सारे गैप 3 सेंटीमीटर का है। कैसे पता चल रहा है हमें? यहाँ से रूलर से पता चल रहा है। अगर आप मेजर करोगे ना फिर से, तो ये 3 सेंटीमीटर का गैप, 3 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है। ये 3 से शुरू हो रहा है और ये 6 पे खत्म हो रहा है, सो 3 to 6 is 3 centimeters, right? So if each gap is 3 centimeters, and if the pencil is just one gap longer than the paintbrush, that means the difference is of 3 centimeters. Okay, all right. Okay, so Sanvi is saying yes, that means Sanvi has understood the question. Fine. And others, what about others? अच्छा, अभी इमोजीज देना बंद करो और बताओ कि क्वेश्चन समझ आया कि नहीं आया है। सात्विक, आर्य नंदिनी, श्रियांश, श्रीहरिणी, और कौन है, लावण्या इज देयर। हैव यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन एंड द आंसर? टेल मी। ऑल राइट, okay, we have moved over to the next question now. You have to stop putting the emojis in the chat box and come back to the question. All right, thank you, Arya Nandini. Supriya. Okay, Sanvi. All right, Sanvi. Chalo. If the distance from place X to place Y is 6,452 kilometers, ठीक है, place X से place Y का distance दिया हुआ है, and from place X to place Z is 8,526 kilometers, then which place is farther from place X and by how much? ठीक है, प्लेस एक्स से प्लेस वाई का डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है, प्लेस एक्स से प्लेस जेड का दिया हुआ है, तो वाई और जेड में कौन सा प्लेस एक्स से ज्यादा दूर है, फार्दर मीन्स ज्यादा दूर है, वो आपको निकालना है, और कितना दूर है वो भी निकालना है, ठीक है। कितना ज्यादा दूर है, कितना दूर है मतलब कितना ज्यादा दूर है, वो भी निकाल। So your options are A, place Y 1048 kilometers, B, place Z 2074 kilometers, C, place Y 2074 kilometers, and D, place Z 1048 kilometers. Okay? Okay. So I've started getting answers already from Satvik. Satvik says it's B, place Z 2074 kilometers. Shiansh also said B. Okay, so those who are giving the answer, why don't you all give me a short and quick explanation also in the chat box that how you're getting the answer. Let's see. Okay, Arya Nandini also says B. Very good. So I've got 3 answers till now from Satvik, Shriyansh and Arya Nandini. And 3 of you are saying it's option B. What about others? What about Lavanya? What about Supriya? What about Sanvi? What about Pavika? What about Sriharini? Which place is more far from place X? Is it Y or Z? And how much far? Like by how much it is farther? That you have to tell me. So just give me a quick explanation in the chat box. Also, I've given the answer already, how you're finding it out. And those who haven't given the answers yet, quickly give your answers, please. Okay, Shri Harini, that's great. Now, this question you have to answer quickly. Let's see. Okay, Supriya. Okay. Sanvi has given the answer as B. All right, let us start discussing. None of you have given the explanations yet that how you have got the answer. I'm waiting for the explanation. So x से लेके y का distance है. ठीक है, x is here and y तो distance है 6,452 kilometers का. ठीक है, और x से लेके z का 8,526 है तो डेफिनेटली ज्यादा है. ठीक है, 8,526. Yes. So Arya Nandini is giving has given an explanation. Find the difference between the distance from place X to place Z and distance from place X to place Y. Very good. Yes. Yes, Satvik has also written 8,526 minus 6,452. Correct. So we can see that 8,526 is greater than 6,452. That means we know that the distance between X and Z is more. So Z is more far than Y, right? But how much far? For that, we need to do minus. So if we are doing 8,526 minus 6,154, we are getting 274 kilometers. So this is the correct answer. Place Z 2074 kilometers. So the correct option is option B. Yes, so we have to subtract. Exactly, Sanvi. All right, very well done, all of you. Given the correct answer as option B. Very good. Yes, perfect. And those who are not giving answers, you have to be more active and more quick. Okay, well done. Good job. Let's go to the next question now. Is it visible to all of you on the screen? The next question. Let me know if it's visible to you on the screen. Type a yes in the chat box. Raj packed each gift with 15 centimeters of ribbon, and Soumya packed each gift with 12 centimeters of ribbon. If Soumya packed 4 gifts and Raj packed 3 gifts, then who used more ribbon and by how much? Okay. So Raj ने कुछ गिफ्ट्स पैक किए हैं, 15 सेंटीमीटर रिबन का यूज किया है उसने ईच फॉर ईच गिफ्ट. ठीक है, और सौम्या ने कुछ गिफ्ट्स पैक किए और सौम्या ने 12 सेंटीमीटर का रिबन यूज किया है फॉर ईच गिफ्ट. तो अगर सौम्या ने 4 गिफ्ट्स पैक किया है और राज ने 3 गिफ्ट्स, तो फिर किसने ज्यादा रिबन यूज किया है और कितना ज्यादा रिबन यूज किया है? दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड. All right. So is it option A Raj 3 centimeter? Is it option B Soumya 3 centimeters? Or is it option C Raj 1 centimeters? Or is it option D Soumya 1 centimeters? So let's see. Which one do you think is the correct option? Quickly. Quickly calculate and type your answers. Come on. Quickly type your answers in the chat box. Let's see. Is it A, B, C, or D? Which one is correct? Okay, Arya Nandini has given the answer as option B, Soumya, 3 centimeters. Okay, Arya Nandini. Okay, Satvik is saying B. Sanvi is saying B. Lavanya is saying B. So we have got Aryanandini, Satvik, Sanvi, and Lavanya saying it's option B. What about others? What about Sriharini, Shriyansh, and who else are left? Let me see. Pavika, I don't know what happened. Pavika joined in but not answering any questions. Okay. Those who are left, quickly type your answer. Supriya, yes. Supriya was also left to give, but she has given her answer as option B. Sriharini says it's option B. All right. So Aryanandini, Satvik, Sriharini, Supriya, Shriyansh, Lavanya, and Sanvi has given option B. All right. Let's check. So now I think we can start discussing since all of you have given the answers. All right. Okay, Sanvi has given an explanation also. Well done, Sanvi. Very good. So राज ने 3 गिफ्ट्स पैक किया है और सौम्या ने 4 गिफ्ट्स. ठीक है. तो हर एक गिफ्ट का राज ने यूज किया है 15 सेंटीमीटर में और सौम्या ने 12 सेंटीमीटर. तो टोटल कितना है देख लेते हैं. पहले राज का देख लेते हैं. राज ने 3 गिफ्ट्स पैक किया है और ईच गिफ्ट अगर 15 सेंटीमीटर है तो टोटल राज ने यूज किया है 3 into 15 which is 45 centimeters. Okay? और सौम्या ने 4 गिफ्ट्स पैक किया है हर एक गिफ्ट 12 सेंटीमीटर का रिबन से. तो टोटल उसने यूज किया है 4 into 12 is 48 सेंटीमीटर का. राइट. तो वी कैन सी फ्रॉम योर कि सौम्या ने ज्यादा यूज किया है. ज्यादा रिबन यूज किया है. मोर रिबन. ठीक है. और कितना ज्यादा उसके लिए भी आप कर दो माइनस. सो 48 minus 45 is 3 centimeters. So the correct option is option B, Soumya, 3 centimeters. So very well done. Okay. Yes. So both Sanvi and Satvik has given the explanations. Very good. Well done. Okay. So now I think we can move to the next question quickly. Right? The sum of the lengths of the wooden log and ribbon is dash bits. I hope the next question is visible to everyone on the screen. Let me know. The sum of the lengths of the wooden log and ribbon is dash bits. Tell me. You can see a wooden log and you can see a ribbon. Okay, you have to find out their difference, but the difference you have to find out in terms of this clips or pins. Okay, in terms of this clips. So there is no ruler given or anything. So there is no question of meters, centimeters coming here. These are non-standard units of measurement. Okay, where you use other objects to find out the lengths. So you have to find out in terms of the clips. So you have option A as 12, option B as 8, option C as 16, and option D as 4. So Satvik has given the answer as option B, I can see. And others, I want your answers also as quickly as you can. Come on, quickly. Quickly type your answer in the chat box. Satvik is the only one who has given. What about others? You have to type your answers quickly in the chat box. The sum of the lengths of the wooden log and ribbon is dash. So how many clips long is the wooden log and how many clips long is the ribbon? And then you find out the sum. Why is it just Satvik giving the answer? What about others? Aryanandini, Sanvi, Lavanya, Shriyan, Sriharini. What happened? Supriya, quickly. Okay, Supriya says B. That's great. Others? Come on, fast. This is easy. Okay, Arya Nandini says B. So three answers I've got from Satvik, Arya Nandini, and Supriya telling B. Others? Hmm. What about others? Sanvi, what happened? Okay, Shriyansh says B. Very good, Shriyansh. Sanvi, Lavanya, Sriharini. Answers? Come on, quickly. Quickly, quickly give your answers in the chat box. Fast. Sanvi. Yes, Arya Nandini has given the explanation as well. Good. Very good. So explanations or workings are very important, okay? You should put in a habit of always writing the, doing the workings in your notebook, which is important, especially for sums which needs working. Always, if we try to do mentally, we may not get correct. This was an easy sum. This can be done mentally. But for some sums, you need to show the explanations, right? Yes, Sanvi has given the answer, and Sriharini also says it's option B. All right. I think now I have received the answers from everyone, so we can discuss. So the length of the ribbon, let us find out first. So ribbon starting from here and ending here. Okay. So we are getting one, two, three, and four clips. Okay. And the log is starting, the wooden log is starting from here and ending here. So this we are also getting as one, two, three, and four clips. So that means the total length of the wooden log and ribbon would be 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. So it is option B, 8. Yes, very well done, all of you. Good job on that. Okay, let's move over to the next question since this one is done and all of you have given the correct answer. Next question, let's see. Okay, this is again a very interesting question. I hope you can see it on the screen. Distance between the bank and the mall is twice the distance between Arun's home and mall. Find the distance traveled by Arun from his home to bank and back home, from mall to bank and back to his home. ये दोनों डिस्टेंस निकालने हैं आपको. ऑप्शंस आपके दिए हुए हैं. A 900 meters, 650 meters. Option B 600 meters and 750 meters. ऑप्शन सी दिए हुए हैं 750 meters, 700 meters. And ऑप्शन डी में दिए हुए हैं 900 meters and 750 meters. ठीक है? All right. So tell me now calculate this. Okay, इसका प्रॉपर आप कैलकुलेशन करके मुझे आंसर बताओ कि कौन सा ऑप्शन सही लग रहा है, ए बी सी या डी. अरुण के घर यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे मॉल है, यहाँ पे बैंक है. ठीक है. और क्या दिया हुआ है, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द बैंक एंड मॉल is twice the distance between Arun's home and mall. ठीक है. तो अरुण के होम से मॉल का डिस्टेंस यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है पिक्चर में 150 मीटर्स. और क्या बोला गया है कि ये जो डिस्टेंस है ये इस डिस्टेंस का ट्वाइस है. ठीक है. तो ये दोनों इंफॉर्मेशन के ऊपर बेस करके आपको इन दोनों का आंसर निकालना. So be quick. Let's see who can give me the answer first. Sriharini is saying option B for this one. That is 600 meters and 750 meters. All right. What about Satvik, Sanvi, Arya Nandini, Shriyansh, Lavanya, Supriya? I'm only getting answer from Sri Harini for this question. Others, I think, are still calculating. quickly. You have to be a little more quick. Okay, Arya Nandini is also getting B as the option. Okay, all right. Satvik, Sanvi, Supriya, Lavanya. Fast, fast, fast. Come on. Shiansh. Shiansh is saying B. All right. So अगर अरुण के घर से मॉल का डिस्टेंस 150 मीटर्स है और मॉल से बैंक का डिस्टेंस 150 मीटर्स का ट्वाइस है, ट्वाइस, इसका ट्वाइस है, तो ये डिस्टेंस कितना होना चाहिए फिर? ट्वाइस ऑफ 150 मीटर्स इज हाउ मच? 150 meters का twice क्या होना चाहिए? Supriya also says B. Okay. So quite a lot of B's I got from Sri Harini, Supriya, Shiansh, Arya Nandini. Yes, yes, Sri Harini, I already got your answer. I told your name first only, that you were the first one to give. So twice, 150 का twice यानी 150 को हम 2 से multiply करते हैं ना? Twice मतलब ये 2 से multiply करना. तो ये distance आ रहा है 300 meters का. Okay, please do not put emojis. 300 meters. Okay. तो फिर होम से बैंक का डिस्टेंस क्या है? होम से बैंक और बैंक से होम. होम से बैंक जा रहा है, फिर से वापस जा रहा है, इधर से जाएगा, फिर से वापस आएगा, तो टोटल डिस्टेंस क्या होगा? तो जब वो होम से बैंक जा रहा है किस तरफ, तो उसका 150 प्लस 300 आना चाहिए. ठीक है, विच इज गिविंग यू 450. तो वो फिर से अब वापस भी जा रहा है बैंक से दोबारा घर, तो इसका मतलब 450 वो 2 बार ट्रैवल कर रहा है, राइट? 450 मीटर्स वो 2 बार ट्रैवल कर रहा है, तो 450 प्लस 450 इज 900, राइट? घर से बैंक जा रहा है, बैंक से फिर वो घर वापस जा रहा है, तो इसका मतलब 450 मीटर्स का जो ये डिस्टेंस है वो 2 बार कवर कर रही है, तो इट इज कमिंग एज 900. ऑप्शन ए. ऑप्शन बी क्या बता रहा है? मॉल से बैंक जा रहा है और फिर घर जा रहा है, तो मॉल से बैंक का डिस्टेंस 300 का है और फिर वो बैंक से घर जा रहा है, घर जा रहा है, तो वो 450 का है, तो 300 प्लस 450 इज इक्वल टू 750 meters. ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर है 750. सो ए आंसर इज 900, बी इज आंसर इज 750. सो कौन सा ऑप्शन में है वो? इट इज ऑप्शन डी. ठीक है. So Satvik has written the explanation and the answer as D. Sanvi also is saying D. तो 900 ही है.